Okay, for the payment of examination or back paper, now we have to enter the payment, sorry, we have to submit the payment through Bharat Ghosh. So first we have to enter the name Bharat Ghosh. So from here we have two options. Either we can go in the site or directly we can go to quick payment. All are same. First I am preferring this method. So here we will click it Bharat Ghosh. So if you observe, this is the main site of the Bharat Ghosh. This is the Government of India's website. So in this one, two options are there. Here you can have non-registered users, or from here you can go for the quick payment. So I am preferring this one. All are same. So from here different types are there. So we have to select individual. Then purpose. For that purpose, we don't know what is the purpose. So from here, the one search bar is there, search option is there. Here we will click it. So at that time, here we will select ministry. Our ministry is the commerce. So commerce we will select it. Then purpose. Purpose is we will select. We don't know, that's why from the drop down we will select it like this one. Search. From here we will find out our, that may comes in the page number 5th. Here from the page number 5th you can see a receipt from sale proceeds etc. from jute or textile commissioner, miscellaneous receipt, and this is a head number 08520880000 means this means 0, that is the other receipt. Okay, so this we have to select it. Clear? Here here our PO is coming, pay and account office, that is Kolkata. By default it will select this one 007377. From this one we will find out our Indian Institute of Handloom Technology DDO code, that will come set here 205930. This is the DDO code, so that we will select 205930, and here we will enter our amount. Suppose based upon your semester fees, examination fees, accordingly, example I am putting the amount of 100. So based upon the amount which is applicable to you, that you have to enter here 100. Then remark, no need to remark. If you put, you can use back paper, and your name also you can put it. Then here UX336W, then add. So once again we have to select. If it is okay, then again we will go for the next. Then here you have to select your name, Mr. or Mrs. whatever MS. Okay, maybe I am selecting the name of like Raju. Then here you can write okay IST or second year or first year or whatever maybe. Then India, select your state. If it is West Bengal, Jharkhand is Jharkhand, not really matter. From here maybe I am selecting Nadia. Okay. So this is mandatory field, and here okay your phone number that you have to enter, whatever may be. Okay, fine. Then email, valid email ID you have to enter it. Okay. Then from here you have to select the payment mode, either online payment mode or SWIFT or NEFT or RTGS. So online payment mode with online payment mode, whatever may be. Then for PHJ8J, whatever may be, the code we have to enter. Okay, so here I have done that mistakes, that means this is not valid. So accordingly, that if you have to enter this thing, then next if you are entering that, confirm information and pay the amount. That's all. This is the simple technique. Otherwise, another one technique you can use, I already told you that from here Bharat Kosh you can write, that will be more easier to you. From this one you can directly select quick payment. From here you can directly select ministry code 004, sorry 006 commerce. And from here purpose, that we will check it, and in a single page it will come at here, other receipt, okay. Receipt from sale proceeds, etc. Jute Textile Commissioner, that we will select it. So automatically it will come, then go to next. While proceed further, we will once again check our PO, and from here on we will select again DDO, Indian Institute of Technology, that we will select it. That's all. This is the simple step. Then again we will proceed further. Okay, thank you.